29. So I'm going to do the exactly same thing as I did previous pages. When I remove this one, I got plus minus sign for this. So I got 2s plus 1 is equal to plus minus radical 16. Which means I have a two expression. One is equal, this is 4, right? 4. The other one is equal to negative 4. There are common mistakes students only solving for the one equation and just put the negative sign for the other one, which will be guide you to the wrong answer. So when you subtract 1, you got 2s is equal to 3. This is equal to 3 over 2. I subtract 1, I got 2s is equal to negative 5, so this is negative 5 over 2. See, the answer is not only difference between the sign, they actually are different answers. Now we go to 30. Use a quadratic formula to solve the equation. So I move to this one to here. They're expecting you to memorize a quadratic formula, so I recommend you to memorize the formula. This is the formula. So my A is equal to the leading coefficient, which will be 2. B is equal to second coefficient, which will be 2. C is equal to 7, the constant. Let's just plug into everything. I actually need to multiply inside. So 4 minus 4 times 2 times 7, 8 times 7, 56. Okay. And I got negative inside. I got negative 52 over 4. Well, think about it. We're going to put this negative 1 first of all to the I. But we also need to think about it to simplify to 52, right? So 52 is divisible by 4. And that's the maximum perfect square factor. 52 divided by 4, it's a 13. And 13 we don't have anymore able to factor out, right? And then I know radical 4 is a 2. So I'm just going to change everything to negative 2 plus minus 2 radical 13i over 4. But I can simplify a little further than this because I got 2, and multiply over the 2. So I divide by 2, I divide by 2. You literally divide by 2 for everything. Divide by 2, and that's the final answer. So I recommend you guys at least review for the 4 times and 5 times, and the first 2 times you check it out, your steps are correct and the calculations correct, and from review for 3rd time you actually pretend you're taking a test and you catch out your mistake. If you does not understand some of the questions concept, I recommend you go back to the note packet, watch the video again, and if you have a time to visit my office hour tomorrow, you can ask me the question too. All right, see you guys on Thursday.